Thank you for checking out the Miele Onyx, one of the new S6 canister vacuum cleaners. The Miele Onyx comes standard with an FJM bag. It's a 9-ply 3.7 quart bag. It also comes standard with the air clean filter. We'll replace that annually. And like all Miele vacuum cleaners, the Onyx comes with 3 mini accessories: an upholstery nozzle, dusting brush, crevice tool. 6-stage suction adjustment, rotary dial. The Onyx is the only S6 that comes standard with an air-driven turbo brush. It's ideal for low carpet. It'll work on medium pile carpet. Has a suction adjustment there. That just reduces the suction a little bit if you're going to be using it on rugs and things like that. The Miele Onyx also comes standard with the Twister Parquet floor tool. Features synthetic bristles. It's ideal for any type of smooth flooring really. Tile, laminate, hardwoods, linoleum. Like the other Miele S6 vacuum cleaners, it features a one-touch cord rewind. Thank you for checking it out, and thank you for visiting AchooAllergy.com.